Welcome to Webgility ReCap, a series of videos aimed at getting you started using Webgility. In this video, we'll go over the process of connecting your Magento store to your Webgility desktop software. Magento 2 or higher connections require that you set up the API to allow us to connect. To do so, log into your Magento admin panel, and then navigate to System and Integrations, and then you'll want to add a new integration and name it Webgility. From here, you can click on the API button and choose to give the Webgility integration full resource access or custom resource access via the API. Lastly, you'll want to activate the Webgility integration and then click Edit and copy the access token or access key to your clipboard. Next, we'll go over to the Webgility software and connect the store here. If you've already connected a store in the past, you'll want to go to Integrations, Stores, and then add a new store. When you log into the software for the first time, however, you'll be brought to the screen automatically. From the drop-down here, you'll want to select your store type, which is going to be Magento 2, and then give your store a name. This is only important if you have more than one store or want to keep track of which store you're in. Once you've selected the correct store and given it a name, go ahead and hit Continue. This screen should ask you for your store URL and the access token, which you copied from the inside of the Magento admin panel. Enter these credentials and hit Connect to Magento whenever you're ready. Once connected, you'll see that your categories, tax classes, products, and other data are all downloaded into the Webgility software via the API. Once you're successfully connected, the next step, if you haven't already done so, is to connect your accounting platform. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.